Had you ever looked at a space nebula and thought it looked like a planet? Well, that's exactly why astronomers gave it this name, but the reality is far more shocking. Today, we are debunking one of astronomy's biggest historical mistakes. In the 18th century, early astronomers observed a specific type of glowing cloud in space that appeared round and colorful through their primitive instruments. Because it reminded them so much of the giant planets in our own solar system, they mistakenly labeled these celestial objects as Planetary Nebulae. Despite this charming name, there is absolutely no physical connection between these nebulae and planets. Modern science has revealed that they are actually formed from the cast-off outer layers of a dying star that is in its very late stages of evolution. When a star like our Sun runs out of fuel, it ejects its massive atmosphere into space. This expanding shell of gas and dust is then ionized by the ultraviolet radiation from the hot core left behind, creating those beautiful, intricate structures we see in astrophotography. We now know there are approximately 20,000 of these objects scattered throughout our Milky Way galaxy. However, because of the heavy obscuration caused by interstellar dust in our galaxy, astronomers have only managed to catalog about 3,500 so far. So, the next time you see an image of a planetary nebula, remember that it is not a planet waiting to be discovered. Instead, it is a dramatic cosmic funeral pyre marking the death of a star and the birth of new elements. This historical naming error highlights how much our understanding of the universe has evolved over the last few centuries. It serves as a reminder that even the most beautiful names in astronomy can sometimes hide surprising scientific truths beneath the surface. Now that we know the truth behind these cosmic clouds, which other space objects do you think have misleading names? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe for more deep dives into the universe's secrets.